How to use Sweatcoin. So, the program Sweatcoin, which converts your daily walks into virtual currency, is a fantastic way to get additional or extra cash. You just have to go to Google Play Store and then type Sweatcoin, tap this one, and then click install. Once done, click open. So, this is what it looks like. So, if you go to this part here, we have home, shop. This is the home of Sweatcoin. If you tap next to that, that is shop. So this shop partnered with different stores. We have here for new user specials. We have here Uber, Amazon, Spotify, and Shopee. There are also tons of stores here, and they offer their products in exchange to your sweats, of course. We have here premium exclusives. We have here gift cards, here physical offers. But as you can see, the majority of the items in Sweatcoin store are fitness related, which makes sense given that Sweatcoin is a digital currency solely dedicated to the world of fitness. Now, a gift card or discount to an online retailer is the most rewarding item on the store. When you redeem Sweatcoin, businesses will give you discounts on their products ranging from 10%, 50%, mostly or other people also receive 90%. So sometimes it depends on the store. So yes, here you can see tons of stores and they offer gift cards, they offer discounts in exchange to your sweats. Okay, so that's it. If you tap this shop button, you can see here different stores. So next we have here is donate. You can also donate sweat coins to a few of the initiatives affiliated causes or charities. Okay, so you can donate to their partner charities here. Examples we have here: aid firefighters injured in action, so you can help these people. We have also here campaign of the week. Okay, so all you have to do is to tap donate. So for bead, so the procedure is quite simple. There are numerous deals every week on the Sweatcoin app. Users of the application can place a bid on the item since it is for sale by clicking or simply clicking the raise bid icon. Your offer ought to be less than prior one. This bid must be zero point 0.1 Sweatcoins higher than the one that came before it. Okay? Take note, zero point 0.1 sweat coin higher. So if you want to look your balance, you just have to tap this icon. Then you can see here your balance on sweat coins. Okay, so you just have to tap that one. And if you tap these two persons here or people here, that means in this section, you can see here clubs, activities, and friends. So yes, you can join any clubs here. You can explore all clubs and then tap join. Okay, so we have here featured clubs. And then if you tap activities, then you can explore activities here and know more about this Sweatcoin application. Friends, you can simply search for your friend here. If you want to add someone here on Sweatcoin, you can just simply search their username here and then tap follow. And one last thing, if you don't feel like using your Sweatcoin, you can just simply send Sweatcoin to your friend. Okay, all you have to do is just simply click send. I want to send, you just have to type the number here to this person and then click send. As easy as that. So this is just a bit information about Sweatcoin. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching this and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.